What's up to all of my bosses, future bosses, and aspiring bosses? It's the head boss in charge, BeBe Nycole. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a icy white pixie haircut. I hope you guys are excited about this video. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm feeling super cute, super dope. Yo, I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling so cute, guys. It's icy. It's icy. Whew. Y'all. But without further ado, honey, we're going to jump right into this video. But first, let me pose for my mug shot. Because we're about to be killing hoes all 2020. Boop. Hey, before we get started, guess what, guys? Y'all see that right there? Google AdSense. Don't worry, because I'm going to be filming another video today. How to get monetized. I am now monetized. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. And because I'm looking cute, I'm going to sit on the screen the whole time, honey. We're going to put this video somewhere over here. Over there. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you'll need is, of course, your supplies. You're going to need 27-piece hair by Milky Way or your favorite brand. I use the color 60, but you can also use the color 613. You also want to have your favorite purple shampoo or your no yellow shampoo. I really love Fanola, and I also love Shimmer lights. And in this video, I use Shimmer lights. Just really quickly, guys, I want to pop a picture. This hair look was inspired by a girl on YouTube. I just Googled icy white hair on black girls, and her video popped up. And I literally followed her tutorial step by step, except for the styling, because we have a different hairstyle. But as far as like the color and everything, I kind of followed her steps, okay? So as you see in this video, we're doing the watercolor method. I use a little bit of water, not a lot, because this hair is so short. I also use cold water. It doesn't really matter the temperature. Do whatever you feel. Just know that we're going to be dipping the hair very, very quickly, simply because it's already really white and we don't want it to turn purple or iridescent. We just want to hit that white hair a little bit more, because I noticed that there was still some yellow, and I just didn't want yellow hair. I wanted white, icy white hair, okay? So after you do the watercolor toning method, you want to completely rinse the hair out. Just rinse all of that hair out. Try to get as much as that purple tint out that you can. And then you're going to wring the hair out, and then you're going to lay it on a towel like so. I completely let this hair dry overnight, and then I moved on to making my wig unit. I use a wigging block. You can get those from Amazon, anywhere. I'll link that below if you really must know. But you just want to proceed to put your wig cap onto your wig block, and then we're going to start in the very bottom at the nape section. This video is really simple and really straightforward, guys. This video is going to be very, very quick. So I'm trying to, give as much detail as possible. But we're going to lay the tracks in the back. We're going to work our way up to the nape area. And then we're going to start laying those tracks a little wider, and we're going to continue to lay those tracks upward. So from this area to this area, I use all short hair. I was initially going for a bowl cut look, but I changed it a little bit because it just didn't fit my face. I have the hardest time creating that cut for my face. So if you notice from the back, well, in the very back, I use a medium piece. And then for all the pieces moving forward, I use all short in all of this area and on the sides. Okay, guys? And then I picked up the medium hair and I started creating a circle. I did about 2 circles with the medium hair, okay? And then everything else was the longest hair in the pack. I began creating a circle, going around in a circle motion, and you guys are going to see me gluing that. And then as my circle started to close in, I began to only do like half of a circle because I wanted a really front heavy cut. So I wanted the front to have length and the back to just really be, you know, short and flat to my head. So in the back, I used the medium length and I created U parts. And in the front, I used the longer length and I created U parts. I pretty much worked that way all the way until that circle is closed to where I put on a closure piece that came with the 27 piece hair. Okay, guys, the unit is completely done. And then I decided to put the unit on and start cutting. I started razoring the unit down. I created kind of like a faux hawk. It went from short and it went short and it went long. You can kind of see that in the video. And then after I cut the hair, I just was pretty much razoring and thinning the haircut out to achieve this look. That's all I really did. When you're cutting the unit, you want to cut it how you want it. I mean, I just cut it to fit my face. You want to actually customize this unit to fit you. So just start cutting and shaping and see how you like it on your face. But after I started molding it down with foam wrap, I actually tied the hair wrap, set under the dryer until it was completely dry, and then I began to just lightly curl, which I'm not going to show in the video because it's really your preference. I combed out the wrap, I did a few curls, and I styled that bad boy, and we have the look that we have here. You guys can see it okay. I don't know what the fuck it looks like. Hopefully it looks good. All right, everyone, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's really quick and really to the point. And if you're having trouble actually recreating this look, you guys can simply give it to your hairstylist and let her finesse it and get you this look. I tried this look out with short hair because I was really afraid of how it will look on me, and it turned out okay. So just know that I'm going to be wearing this color for a while, and the next time I recreate a icy white look, I'm probably going to do something bigger and more fun or even long because I feel amazing. I love this color. That's all for this video. I hope you guys come back to my channel. I will see you all next Monday. And before you go, just remember to wake up, pray, get pretty, hustle, repeat. Your girl is out.